It's important to start with your shoes on so you get the right placement on the top of your foot. On the buckle, make sure the tongue arches over the curve of the buckle and faces towards the inside of the foot. Feed the smaller under latchet through the chape loop. Scooch the chape back along the latchet, then pull the buckle back and center on the top of your foot. On the underside of the latchet, mark where the chape spikes are touching the latchet. Remove the buckle, then pierce the leather from the backside about 1/8 of an inch behind the marks. Feed the latchet through the chape loop again and seat the spikes into the holes, then pull the buckle across the top of the foot. Next, feed the top latchet into the frame. Pull back against the frame quite tightly and flip the tongue of the buckle toward the latchet. You'll use a little force at this step to get a nice tight fit. Remove the top latchet from the buckle frame, then pierce the latchet about 1/8 of an inch behind the marks. Feed the latchet back through the frame, pull backwards, and press the frame down to really tighten up the buckle. Flip the tongue towards the latchet and work the spikes through the holes, wiggling the latchet back and forth while pulling it across the top of the foot to seat the spikes firmly in place.